Good morning, everyone. The Honorable Mr. Hendrawan Subakti and my friends that I am proud of. We are from Group 5 want to present about robot stationary cleaning source. The member of Group 5 that's me, Julpan, Ruth Jessica, Josia, Irma Sinaga, Alfariji Hukama, and Indah Dwi Agustin. So let's go into the first material that will be presented by me. Problem statement. Why is robot important? Floor contamination from the shoe soles is a significant problem in many environments, especially industrial and manufacturing facilities. Cleanliness is crucial to prevent damage to sensitive products or equipment. Healthcare facilities, hospital and clinic require high hygiene standards to reduce the spread of germs and infection. Commercial and residential buildings to maintain aesthetic and lower floor cleaning costs. System recruitment and review. Functional recruitment. If a shoe is detected within distance of 30 centimeters, the sensor will automatically read it and send a signal to microcontroller to activate the DC motor, initiating the shoe sole scrubbing. If the microcontroller does not detect the presence of shoe, with the distance being more than centimeter, the machine will automatically stop operation. The robot must be able to scrub all types shoes, such as leather and canvas shoes. The robot will complete the shoe scrubbing cycle until the shoe is lift from the possession.
Condition 1. System block this diagram. 1. Main in the control Arduino Uno RC at Mega 318P. Service at the microcontroller, the system brain. It receives input signal from the ultrasonic sensor, process the decision whether a such is present or not, and send logical on atau off control the signal to the motor driver. 2. Sensor ultrasonic sensor as the robot is in the presence of such at distance of the 13 and send data signal to the main control unit. 3. Power driver L to 3D motor driver send receives the signal on off control signal 8 power from the battery to drive the motor. This scale at rate between the controller and the actuator. 3. Output actuator 1. 3X DC motor receive power from the L to 3D set the motor on motor bracket for stability. 2. 3D process connects to the shape of the AC motor. When the motor connected, the process also spin execute the action of cleaning the cells. Power NCR 18650. Better replace in better order is prime energy source that provides electrical power to the electric system. 2. Backend software 1 and 3 DC motor example what 3 basic force to repeat the such slash. 2. 3 are 7 metal but rod serving as a porthole for the such during scrubbing. 3. An ultrasonic sensor is lessened is night the machine positioning to reset the preset of a source. 3 is the set slot for a doormat as additional cleaning. 5. There is also a tray to close the file the fix after the scrubbing process. Program Ultimate Phase 1. Such the activation, the robot is in standby mode. The decision sensor will treat the system when a source is placed on the program. Phase 2. Training the microcontroller activity, the motor for a predetermined duration, example 10 seconds. The motor protes the burst to cleanse the salt. Phase 3. Shutdown atau standby. After the cleaning time is complete or the source is lifted, the motor shuts off and the system returns to standby mode.
Initial design. First, initial design 3D. Description. Initially, the shoe sole scrubbing robot was intended to incorporate water for wet scrubbing, but this was abandoned due to concern regarding to availability of clean water refill station and a disposal area for the dirty water. Furthermore, the initial design of the robot was quite tall because the internal space was meant to accommodate container for both clean and dirty water. Since the plan to use water was cancelled, we consequently modified the robot shape, making it shorter to suit functional requirements.
Belum, Cok.
Next, hardware selection. First, Arduino Uno
Ya, aku tadi.
function for act as the brain of the robot. 2. DC motor drive the brush to rotate. 3. NCR 18650 battery supply the power to the system. 4. L293D motor driver shield for control motor speed and direction. 5. Ultrasonic sensor detect object under distance. 6. Battery holder for hold the connect the battery. 7. Brush clean the surface. 8. Motor bracket for hold and support the motor. Next, program flowchart. First, place the shoe on the brush and the LED indicator will light up. Once the shoe is placed on the scrubber, the microcontroller sensor will active the DC motor or machine to begin scrubbing. As the motor rotates, the brush will clean the shoe. When the scrubbing time is complete, the microcontroller sensor will turn off, as will the DC motor or machine. When the shoe is lifted from the scrubbing area, the LED indicator will also turn off. And this is the circuit diagram.
Vertical design panel 3D, confirm hardware. Number 1, komponen Arduino Uno R3. Functionnya, main control or microcontroller, receive signal from the sensor, process the program logic, and send logic on or off, control signal to the motor driver, DC motor, actuator, or mechanical drive. Receive power from the driver and generate the rotational motion required to drive the brush. NCR 18650 50 battery. Primary energy source provides stable DC electrical power to operate the entire system for control and motor component. L2 main 3D motor driver shield. Power driver acts as a bridge between the low power control signal from the Arduino and the high power demand of the DC motor, allowing motor control. Ultrasonic sensor, distance sensor or input, detect the presence of an object or source by measuring the distance. It is used as the trigger to start and stop the scribing cycle. Battery holder, power enclosure or connector. The physical holder used to contain the NCR 18650 battery and connect in to the system circuit, brush, cleaning actuator. The physical component attached to the DC motor slack. The spark directly contact and clean or scrub the shoe sole. Motor backup, mechanical mode. The structural support the hold and stabilize the DC motor, securing them firmly to the robot's frame during motor. Program flowchart. This flowchart explains the operation of a shoe sole cleaning robot. The process begins at the position where the foot is placed on the robot brush. Subsequently, the robot detects the distance from the foot to its sensor. If the sensor detects the presence of a source at a distance of less than 15 centimeters, the robot and the brushing sensor will automatically turn on, and the brushing of the shoes will commence. Conversely, if the foot is lifted to a distance greater than 15 centimeters, the brushing sensor will turn off. This is circuit diagram.
Critical design final 3D model confirm hardware system simulation result and subsystem system testing. System simulation result. 1. Standby and detection. The system is in standby mode, waiting for the ultrasonic sensor to detect a shoe waiting close range. Example, more than 15 centimeters to scrubbing. Once the shoe is detected, the Arduino simultaneously activates the 3 DC motor or top, middle, bottom via the L29 3D motor driver to begin scrubbing. 3. Automatic setup. Scrubbing process for the program duration, after which the motor are automatically turned up. 4. Reset the system wait until the ultrasonic sensor detect that the shoe has been live before returning to standby mode, ready for the next cycle. Project timeline. 1. Week 1 to 3, decide and finalize the project-based learning or PBL topic. Finish the shoe sole scrubbing robot. During this step, ideas, discussion, little studies, and concept planning were carried out. 2. Week 4, design the initial robot model, including the layout and placement of its components. Week 5, conducted an initial demonstration using Tinkercad and edit basic programs such as DC motor and ultrasonic sensor function. Week 6, 7, improve and refine the program and robot design based on the testing result, including sensor celebration of logic optimization. Week 8, Finally, the robot design and program, complete project documentation, and prepare for the final presentation.
Critical design, final 3D model, confirmed hardware, system simulation, results, and subsystem testing. Critical design, final 3D model, confirmed hardware, system simulation, result, and subsystem testing. Budget plan is 400,000. Material is number one battery, number two this motor, number three motor driver side, number four sensor ultrasonic. The total spending is 253,000. Resource management project team. First, the project consists of 6 members with the following division of roles. 2 members in programming responsible for developing and implementing the robot control program, integrating sensors and managing communication between electronic components. 2 members in mechanical design, focusing on designing the robot chassis using acrylic or 3D printed materials, as well as ensuring the structural balance and stability of the robot. 2 members in documentation responsible for preparing progress reports, documenting the assembly and testing process, and developing presentation materials for the final evaluation. I hope this presentation has been informative. Thank you very much for listening. Good morning, everyone.
Critical design, final 3D model, confirm hardware, system simulation, result, and subsystem testing.